So, does anybody want to know what's inside my freezer? It's actually rather boring, but I've got absolutely nothing of any nutritional value in my freezer. Frozen mug. I got some pizzas and a whole bunch of pop ice, flavor ice, a whole bunch of these. Mentos, this and whatever. Got some golden crispy crowns, ice cream in the back. Absolutely nothing of any nutritional value in my freezer at all. Got a frozen mug glass right here. Got some lean pockets, 4-cheese pizza, some pizza here. Got some super pretzel. Yeah, I have absolutely nothing of any nutritional value in my freezer at all whatsoever. I just want to come in here and show you guys that. Alright, peace. Yeah, a whole bunch of pop ice. I got more to put in here. Yeah, nothing of any nutritional value. Alright, peace. So I'm guessing you want to know what's in my refrigerator, huh? What's in my refrigerator? Yeah, bottled water, orange juice. I got some apple, kiwi, strawberry here. Yeah, some tree ripe orange juice, strawberry syrup. I got some water here. Orange juice in the back, orange juice here, there. Bunch of bottled water. Yeah, bottled water. Yeah. Some tea. I got some water in the back. I got some water. This thing is full of water, and I got some water filled up right over here too. Bottled water here, bottled water in here. Yeah, some tea, Arizona, bottled water, some soda. Yeah. Got some soda over here, some soda here. I got some Hawaiian punch. Yeah, just some Hawaiian punch, and nothing really up here, nothing really up there. But yeah, some soda here, Hawaiian punch, and nothing really of any value over here. Diet, green tea, water in the back, orange juice, strawberry syrup. Yeah, nothing of any nutritional value. Alright, peace.